Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to the channel. You are currently watching Rangar Bhai and this is your host Rangar Bhai coming up with another video on how you can enable DLSS 4.5 on your computer. So first of all, if you have looked at the recent reviews of DLSS 4.5, then you probably know that it does have some significant improvement in image upscaling compared to the previous generation. So you might be wondering on how you can enable DLSS 4.5 on your computer, and today we are going to show you how you can do that. So I think my screen is visible. So the next thing that we want to make sure is we have an RTX graphics cards. So the DLSS technology only works if we have an RTX graphics card. So if you have an RTX 2060, if you have an RTX 3060, it does not matter. It will work on those graphics card, but you will have to make sure that you have an RTX cards. So this method will not work for cards like 1660 Supers or probably 1080s. Alright, so I currently have an RTX 4060 Ti and I will be enabling DLSS 4.5 for my graphics card on my PC. So the first thing is just search NVIDIA app, then click open. You will see a couple of these things and the app will open like this. But before that, you will have to make sure that the app itself is updated to the latest version. So you won't have to do anything else. Just when you will open or when you will try to open this app, it will update itself automatically to the latest version. So you won't have to worry in that regard. Then go to this drivers page and check for updates. So we want to make sure that we are on the latest version of the graphics drivers too. So if there is an update, just update your graphics drivers to the latest version. And after that, go to the graphics page and you will see the games that are currently installed on your computer. So one approach of enabling DLSS 4.5 is going game by game. You can choose a game and then go below here to enable the DLSS 4.5 thing. But what we want to do is we want to enable the DLSS 4.5 for all of the supported games. So for that, we need to go to the global settings. So here we are at the global settings. So for our method to work, we will go to this particular option, the DLSS override model presets. So here click on this particular tab and you will see this thing where you will find three different options. So by default, you will see that it will say that use 3D app setting. That means the app itself will use the technology that is in the game. All right. It will not use the latest version of the DLSS technology, rather the one the installed game came with. But we want the latest version of the DLSS 4.5 technology on our games. For that, we will click on the recommended option. So previously on other NVIDIA or previous version of NVIDIA apps, this option was known as latest, but now it's called recommended. So what you want to do is just click recommended and hit apply, and voila, you will have DLSS 4.5 upscaling technology on all the supported games. All right. And if you want to change some settings, all right, or if you want to use some custom settings, then go to this custom, and in the super resolution, just make sure that you are choosing preset M. This preset is particularly the one with DLSS 4.5. So if you want to use some custom settings, you can also do that, but I am just using the recommended version. So I will not be doing any of that. And clicking the recommended eventually means that I'm using the latest version of the DLSS technology, which is the 4.5. So after doing that, you can just play your games, and the upscaling technology that the games will use will be DLSS 4.5. So that is the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if it works for you, just leave a like and leave a comment. It helps a lot. You can subscribe to the channel. We usually play different games on our live stream. So if you want to follow those, you can of course subscribe to the channel, and it will help the channel grow. So thank you for joining this video. Assalamu alaikum. Hoping to see you guys next time.